Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s. So this one we change by u, and we have u square. The s over s we change by the u. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of number 3 sine t. So if I put this one going here, we have 3 sine t square number 3. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square. We cancel about the square root because we change 1 minus sine t square into cosine t square, and later that we simplify by du. Du we have the square root of number 3 cosine t. Because we do first the derivative of sine t, we have cosine t, and we put about dt. So I will put this one going here. Du that is about this one. So we have 3 sine t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, we have cosine t. And later that, we simplify on numerator and denominator. The integration of dt, we have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And then you got about t equal to arc side of u over the square root of number 3. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.